Mahirap maging isang vlogger, no? Kagising mo pa lang, kukunin mo yung phone mo. Titingnan mo kung ilang views yung video mo na ginawa mo. And then, it's hard kasi you put your heart and soul into that. But it's like no one cares. So for this video, I would like to present to you how I keep myself motivated when times are hard. How I challenge myself to do more. So if you're interested with this, please keep on watching because this will not be your typical unboxing video. So let's go!
This is your channel.
This would be a little bit different. It would talk about the equipment that you need, and about lighting, all you really need is open your window. Another powerful tip that I can give you is you record your videos early in the morning and before the sunset, because that would give you natural soft light. Middle of the day, the sunlight is a little bit harsh, pero pag ganito, sakto lang yung light for all the light that you need. Okay, let's proceed with the unboxing video. I have a setup here, no, and you would see. So I would put my cell phone here.
Astig tong vlogger na to.
Right now, I'm just checking my edit, no? And that's another powerful tip. While you're shooting your videos, please check your output time to time. And what I do long videos. And then I just cut in the middle para mas madali yung editing. Parang mas maporma kung may jacket. Okay. So yeah, this is my first unboxing video. I started YouTube 3 months ago because I was inspired with my sobrang yaman na idol, which is Marvin Yermo. At first, kung babalikan ko tong channel na to, it is about personal finance, side hustle, and self-growth. Kasi I am really passionate about that. But when I started, I didn't really know how be able to do YouTube better. That is how I diverted my niche into YouTube 101, which you are watching right now. Let me first tell you the first setup of my vlog. I was just using normal headset. I would treat the mic as my mic. Yan lang. Tapos, you put a sack on the mic. This would reduce the sound on your videos. First hack. So, moving on. For like a month, I was just doing my vlogs like that, and I challenged myself. Instead of counting views, instead of worrying about the subscriber count, what I count are my video output. The first challenge was do a webinar series that would talk about the fundamentals of YouTube. The video quality is not that good, and I am very happy with that kasi you would see my progress. You don't have to be perfect when you're doing this. My suggestion is you just need to be better 1% at a time in every upload. After putting out 7 weeks of hard work, then I said to myself, it's time to reward yourself. If the goal of you is to better your videos, then one way of directly doing that is by improving your output and your equipment. But again, you need to challenge yourself because equipment would cost you really. Pointer is commitment. You need to be committed on this journey, and then you have to save. You have to allot budget for your equipment. Then I put a little bit of money to invest on things that I feel like would greatly improve my video quality. Those are First, a webcam. Webcam from Logitech. I really feel that this is the best web camera that is in the market right now. The link for this one is on the description section. And this Yeti mic. If you want me to do an unboxing video about this, well, they're out of the box, no? Pero if request nyo na to have a review on these two things, I would happily do that for you. Ay, sorry. Box na lang po siya, don't worry. And then after that, I did talking head video. So the next thing that I bought after 10 videos, please do remember that what I'm doing is that I set a goal for my output and then I reward myself. These two things. First is the Boya lapel mic. Next is this one, a combination of a tripod and meron na rin siyang ring light, no? Before we proceed to the highlight of this video, can I ask a simple favor? Please hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. What's next is this one. The reason why I bought this one is I feel like I need to step it up. I need to challenge myself again in order for me to bring more value to you. Kasi that's why I do YouTube. So what's next? I will be focusing in helping you improve your content. I would be focusing on what should be inside your video. What are the ingredients in gaining more views, in gaining more subscribers? I feel like the best way for me to help you in your YouTube journey is to do it myself. So please forgive me if I am new to this also, but I'll be doing my best. So this would be a sharing of my mistakes, my experiences, and my learnings, my research. If you want to join me in this journey, I would appreciate it very, very much. That's what's next for the channel, and let's proceed with the unboxing of this video. And I am very, very excited. This is it. It's an all-in-one setup from Joby. I am very excited where the channel is heading. I am excited in getting better with my craft. I am excited with what's in store. So yeah, I hope this video helped you know. But right now, I want to share one more secret, and that is how to win in YouTube. That secret is found on the video you were seeing right now. So please click on that video, because I can assure you that if you do, then your YouTube journey would be easier, your growth would be faster. Again, maraming salamat sa panonood mo, and have a great day. Bye!